In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view exchange listings for a coin on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, knowing how to access this information is crucial for understanding where and how you can trade a particular cryptocurrency. So, let's dive right in. To begin, we'll start by visiting the CoinMarketCap website. This platform is one of the most popular resources for cryptocurrency market data, providing comprehensive information on thousands of coins and tokens. Simply open your web browser and navigate to coinmarketcap.com. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page, which is filled with various cryptos listed by market capitalization, current price, volume, and more. Now, once you're on CoinMarketCap, you'll need to find the specific cryptocurrency that you're interested in. You can do this by using the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name or the ticker symbol of the coin and select it from the drop-down list that appears. This action will take you to that coin's dedicated page. On the coins page, you'll find a wealth of information including charts, detailed market data, historical prices, and summaries. However, to see where this coin is being traded, look for the Markets tab in the navigation menu directly under the coin's name and price. Click on the Markets tab, which will direct you to a list displaying all the exchanges where this specific coin is listed, along with the various trading pairs available. Now that you're on the Markets page, scroll down to see the exchange listings in detail. Here, you'll see a table that includes crucial information such as the name of the exchange, the trading pairs available for this cryptocurrency, and key statistics like price, volume, and liquidity. This data is incredibly valuable for traders as it helps in assessing the various options available for buying or selling the coin. If you're planning to trade, take a closer look at the volume and liquidity columns. High volumes often indicate a more active trading environment, which generally makes it easier to execute trades quickly. Liquidity, on the other hand, reflects how easy it is to buy or sell without affecting the price significantly. Both these factors can help you make an informed decision about where you might want to trade. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to find where a cryptocurrency is listed on different exchanges using CoinMarketCap. By following these steps, you can easily navigate the listings and explore all the trading options available to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more tutorials on navigating the world of cryptocurrencies.